Okay guys, so today I end up getting the engine mounted, getting it hooked up to the axle, and I hook up the shifter to the engine so I can actually shift gears now. So subscribe, smash that like button, and I hope you enjoy the video. How's it going everybody? This is Fast Lane Fixer, and today I'm going to be working on the Yerf Dog go-kart again, and I got the engine. Here it is. It's a lifan 200cc 5-speed. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these cut off, and then we'll see what the engine looks like on there. Okay, let's get that cleaned up a little bit. Now let's see if we can set the engine on there. I like how that looks. And this thing's heavy. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just cut out a plate about like that, about that wide, and weld that to the frame, and then weld the engine to the plate instead of trying to weld it to the frame, because as you can see right there, the mounting brackets aren't actually even touching. So that's why I want to do the plate. There we go. Okay, so for the engine mounts, I went ahead and decided to do like these U-mounts or whatever you want to call them. So I went ahead and made 3 of them. 2 for the side that's going to be against the seat, and 1 for the rear side so I can just pick it up out. For the rear one, I could just weld it straight to the plate. But for the front 2, I don't know what I'm going to have to do. I'll have to figure something out to come from those 2. So I'm going to go ahead and get that figured out, get it welded up, and then we'll see what we need to do next. Okay, there we go. Got the engine mounts finished up. I think it looks pretty good. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put the engine back on, and then we'll see where I need to put the jack shaft. Okay, got everything welded up. Pretty sure everything's straight. So now I just need to get the chain on this side, put a master link in this side. Okay guys, there you go. Got that all hooked up. So there's the jack shaft, and it goes to the engine right there, then comes over here and goes to the axle. And if I spin the wheels, it goes right to the engine. So I'm really happy with how that turned out. I think I'm gonna start working on trying to get the shifter hooked up. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting some stuff and see if we can get anything out of it. I stopped filming some of it, and I had just been trying different things because a lot of the stuff I had done ended up not working. So I changed a bunch of stuff, and I went ahead and added those two pieces because the other ones had too big of holes in them and it would move around too much. So I got some play out of it. But I went ahead and moved that up because down low it would get so little movement that it wasn't able to actually change gears. So I just moved it up and it's just going right through there. And that should be fine. I don't think it's gonna be a big deal. Okay guys, that's gonna have to be the end of the video, but hope you enjoyed. I'm really happy with what I got done. I just think that engine mount looks really good, and I thought it would take me a lot longer to get that done, but really happy to get that finished and out of the way. Also the shifting, that probably took the longest, to be honest, even though it looks the simplest. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next time.